Hello again. In this lesson, we'll work on the alcohol materials. I will use these two sets of models from 3D Sky. I put the link to it below the video. Let me unzip the files and clean these folders as we don't want to leave unnecessary files on our computers. Okay, now we can merge the models to the file. Let's link the maps. I will use the project manager for it, and I highly recommend it. I put a link to this plugin below the video in case you want to check it out. You can also use the assets tracker from 3ds Max. The process will be slower though. Okay, let's ungroup the models. If you get the models like here, where every element is separate, I advise spending some time to make it more friendly for 3ds Max. The scenes works better if there are not so many groups in the file, especially when we have lots of small models that we'll copy later on. Here is a procedure. Set the pivot to the bottom first, and then attach all elements as one object. Follow the same process for the rest. In the meantime, I will show you how we can adjust the materials of these alcohols. I take this one as an example. Add the environment light and start interactive rendering. Okay, let's see the material. So the first one is for the glass. We can start by adjusting the volumetric scattering distance and color. The next step will be adjusting the alcohol. Let's unplug all the maps. Something doesn't work correctly here. I will create the material from scratch. We can choose water as a base from presets. Something is still not right. We need to check a couple of things that may cause the issue. Oh, I see. We have flipped polygons. Let's fix it. Still not working. Let's see if the material works outside the bottle. Yeah, in this case, it might be the scale. We can scale it down a bit. Here we go. This is one of the most common issues, so always check it when having such problems. Anyways, let's go back to our alcohol material. We need to adjust the volumetrics. Nice! Now I will go back to the glass material and make it a bit brighter. Okay, now I will test it with the lighting that will be more similar to the one we have in the scene. I will start with creating the light in the back. We can also add one light from the front. Let's also add the box as a shelf. Okay, in this, we need to decrease the volumetric distance a bit. Okay, so you know how to approach adjusting the materials here. Follow the procedure for all the models and we'll see each other in the next lesson.